Hello, and welcome to your iReady orientation session for third grade. Please note, this session is intended for both students and learning coaches to attend together. The student and learning coach should both be present now. Let's begin. Let's start by talking about what is iReady. iReady is an adaptive diagnostic assessment for K-12 students. What adaptive means is that test questions change and provide students with easier or harder questions based on how the students answer other questions. These results will help teachers to identify students' strengths and weaknesses, set individual learning goals, and determine which Class Connect sessions students should attend. Here is some general information. Students are required to take an iReady diagnostic benchmark test in math and reading. These tests will be administered 3 times each year to monitor growth. Please take math one day and reading on a separate day. Both of these beginning of the year tests need to be completed before September 15th. Each assessment will take approximately 45 minutes to 1 hour depending on the student. But remember, you may log out at any time and take as many breaks as needed. When you're ready to resume the assessment, log back in and it will begin from the stopping point. After a set time, the test will actually prompt students to take a break. Once you have completed the test, a score report will be generated and sent to your homeroom teacher. After everyone has taken their test, your homeroom teacher will share your results with you. An emailed score report will be sent to the student emails in the online learning school. Results cannot be shared until all students are finished testing and the results have been gathered. If you have any questions about your test results once you receive your formal score report, please email your third grade homeroom teacher. So another important topic when it comes to testing is, are tools permitted? Math tools are not permitted for this test. Students should not use calculators, counters, hundreds charts, hundreds blocks, or any other manipulative. While these tools are great for learning, they will, however, skew the data so that your teachers know exactly what you need to have more reinforcement with. Any tools that you do need will be provided on the test. You are encouraged to use the strategies that you have already learned, and of course, you may use scratch paper and pencil. Learning coach instructions. Now, this is very important. We need to emphasize that in no way should you assist or help your student. I know this can be hard, but it's very important that we get accurate information and data about your student. We need to know exactly what path we need to take moving forward to provide the best, most accurate instruction to provide the maximum amount of learning this year. Here are 3 reasons why you must not assist in any way. First, assistance puts students on the wrong question path. So remember, this test is adaptive and the questions change as students answer them. We want to make sure they stay on the correct question path to get an accurate score. 2, we want to find what skills students need help with and which they do not. And 3, if a student performs too well on an assessment because of assistance, the middle and end of year assessments will show little or no growth made during the school year. If necessary, please help a student log in and leave the room. Here are some student tips. Make sure you are not hungry or tired before you begin the test. 2, do your best. You're going to come across some really tough questions, but think of it as practice for the SOL test. Best effort is always important. Please take your time to work each problem out in math. In reading, go back and reread. And take a break when you need to refocus. What are you going to do if you don't know an answer? Well, because of the adaptive nature of the assessment, students should expect to answer only about half of the questions correctly. That means that you might come across a question that you don't know the answer to quite a bit. But it's a great idea to make your best guess. And remember, it's like a practice for the SOL test. A good key is to try and eliminate answers that you know do not make sense, and that can narrow down the correct answer for you. Let's get started. What you're going to do is open up the link that I provided in the email, and you're going to go to the iReady login page. It looks like this. To ensure that your computer is running correctly for the software, you're going to click on the support button in the top right-hand corner. From there, I want you to run system check. What this is going to do is going to make sure that your computer is ready to take the test and everything is supported. If this is not successful, you may contact iReady technical support. Here's their contact information: 1-800-225-0248. You are ready to log in and your computer is up and running, you're going to need your login credentials. Your username for this test is your student ID number, and your password is VAVA, V-A-V-A. Please remember, you must also select a state. Choose Virginia from the drop-down menu. So, maybe you need help finding your student ID. That's okay. You're going to log into the OLS student account. Look beside in the right-hand corner where it says My Account. You will see a number in parentheses. That is your student ID. Okay, you are ready to log in. Go to the iReady website, log in with that student ID, password, and Virginia state, and begin. Remember to take your time and do all of the work on your own. Good luck!